welcome all of you in third lecture of this sixth chapter. So up to now we discussed that what is the meaning of line, ray, line segment, then angle and its type, and then linear pair of angles and vertically opposite angle. All these results are used in any of the chapter of geometry. So after this basic, we solve question first and second of 6.1 exercise. Now let us solve question third of this 6.1 exercise. So this figure is already given in the book. So by reading the book, we will decide what is given, what we want to prove, or what we want to find out. In some question you have to prove, in some question you have to find out. So here given is angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. This is given. Then we want to prove angle PQS equal to angle PRT. So this is the question. This is given, this we want to prove. Now you know very well, if this is a line, then sum of these two angles, this is line, then sum of these two angles will be 180 by linear pair of angles. So what is the name of this angle? This angle is PQR. What is the name of this angle? This angle is PQS. So their sum is 180. Let this is equation number first. Region is linear pair of angle. Then name of this angle. This is PRQ. So PRQ. Name of this angle. This is PRT. So PRT equal to 180. Equation number second. Region is again same linear pair of angles. So sum of these two angles 180. Region linear pair. First, sum of these two angle again 180, region linear pair of angle, equation second. So in these two equations, right hand side is same. If in two equation one side is same, then we will use the word from. So from equation first and second, from means these equal side will cancel out. You will write angle PQR plus angle PQS on left hand side and angle PRQ and PRT on right hand side. So again we will see sum of two angles PQR, PQS 180, region linear pair, PRQ, PRT again 180, linear pair from first and second, we reach here. Now if we see the given, in given angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. So in place of PRQ we can write PQR, or in place of PQR we can write PRQ. So here we will change this angle. PQR equal to PRQ. So in place of PQR we will write PRQ. Other three angle will remain same. Now on these two sides, left and right, this PRQ angle will be cancelled because this is same, and we are left with angle PQS equal to angle PRT. So this is the question number third. Now we will solve. Now this is question number fourth of exercise 6.1. So this figure is given. So when we study the question, then we will find out that given is x plus y equal to w plus z, and we want to prove that AOB is a line. So given x plus y equal to w plus z, we want to prove AOB is a line. So solution. Here, if you see this angle, this, then we can say this is complete angle. So complete angle is of 360 always. So here we are having four angles, x, y, z, w. So we can write x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360. Region is complete angle. Now x plus y equal to w plus z. So we can write in place of x plus y w plus z, or in place of w plus z x plus y. So x plus y as it is, in place of w plus z we will write x plus y. So x plus x we are having 2x, y plus y we are having 2y. So 2 will be common here. So on that side 2 will divide. When we divide 360 by 2, then we will get 180 degree. Again we will revise the question. This is complete angle. Here we are having four angle x, y, z, w. So sum of x, y, w, z is 360. Region complete angle. So we can change x plus y to w plus z, or w plus z to x plus y. This is given. So in place of w plus z we write x plus y. So x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y, then 2 common. x inside the bracket x plus y equal to 360. 2 will divide this side, so 360 upon 2 you will get 180. Now this last step is important. If you see here x and y, then you will realize that these two angles or these two angles are at the position of linear pair of angles. So after this line we can write, but these are means these two angles are at the position of linear pair of angles. If these are at the position of linear pair of angle, then we can say OB is a line. So in this way, if line is given, sum is 180. If sum is 180, then we can say that is a line, means the result is reversible. We can use, if line is given, sum 180, or if sum 180, then that is a line. So in both case we can use the result. So tomorrow we will discuss question number 5th and 6th, then this exercise will complete.